AI smart templates are now in Visor. That's right, AI is now available to you in Visor, and you can use it to create custom templates that make it unbelievably easy to configure a workbook in just minutes. Let me show you how. Now, when you hit Create New Workbook in Visor, you will be brought to a template area. Visor's AI Smart Templates do not force you to chat with AI agents or fill the dreaded blank white prompt box. Instead, they make it really easy to create custom templates. We'll provide you with a few options that you can select, or you can hit Other and give us some more details about what you're wanting to accomplish in Visor. Whether you choose a template or you select that other option, you will then have the ability to add more context, a description of what you're hoping to get out of this template. Once you have your template selection and you have added whatever context you find helpful, you can hit Use Smart Template. From there, you can import your data from apps like Jira, Asana, and Salesforce, or if you don't want to import any data, you can also input your data using custom fields. Once your data is imported, you'll see a few things. For one, the title of your workbook will be auto-generated. And you will also notice that you have multiple views in your workbook. These will also have titles. Here, my first view is Q2 Project Gantt, because that is the template that I chose, and I gave AI context that this was a Q2 Gantt planning chart that I was making. You'll be able to click through all the different views to see what the AI has generated. It will use a combination of the views that are available to it, which include table, timeline, Gantt, and board view. Currently, dashboard view is not configurable by AI, so you will be the one who has to manually configure that one. Our AI smart templates are meant to be a jumping off point to help you create a workbook that you want to share faster. You can always add more filters and configure the workbook to your liking, such as adding formatting. Right now, our AI does not format your workbook, but you can use our auto format feature to do so very quickly, and we do expect to add more enhancements and updates to our AI smart templates in the weeks and months to come. We know that at the heart of trust and security is transparency, which is why we have meticulously detailed the information we will and will not be giving AI. Please read this article if you have any questions. We have put a lot of thought into making sure that your data stays secure while still giving AI information such as your job title that would help it devise workbooks that are helpful to you. And if you really want to nerd out, check out the article that our CEO, Michael Yurashevsky, wrote about our approach to AI and why it's different than what you see in a lot of other apps. So that's it. You can check out AI Smart Templates in Visor by simply clicking Create New Workbook, and then be amazed at how fast and easy it is to create and configure views in a workbook that will drive crystal clear team alignment.